Amazon is changing everything, from tier systems to product deletions, but here's my take. These changes could be actually your biggest advantage. Let's see why now is the perfect time to get serious about Amazon merch. Okay, so first of all, Amazon is prioritizing quality over quantity. So Amazon says in the FAQ that they want to focus on quality, fresh designs, and productivity. That means that sellers who make good designs and are active in their account will get more visibility from Amazon. There's less clutter from old designs that won't sell, so customers will see better products. And that's very good because Amazon wants better designs, not just a lot of designs. So they shouldn't be spamming of hundreds of designs just to fill the slots. Every design should be good. So this might scare off sellers who just upload a lot, but it's better for sellers who really work on their designs. So here's some more thoughts. Quality can also mean good keywords, titles, and just better listings. And I think it's way smarter to focus on small, special niches than on making just everything. It's not important how many designs you have, it's how good they are. Now it's about who makes the best designs, not who uploads the most. So if you've had lost with so many bad designs before, now Amazon is cleaning them up. So next we got the product deletion. And this just means there's more room for winners. And why is that a good thing? Because then your old bad designs will be gone and your new good designs can get seen more easily. For new or sellers that get traction again, there's less competition now because the catalog is getting cleaned up. So Amazon removes the old clutter. That means the catalog is smaller and better now. Now new sellers can find places in big niches that were too full before. And fresh designs don't get lost in these old unsold designs anymore. So you can't just sit back and hope your old designs will sell. Now you really need to stay active. But let's be honest, old designs that never sold are like a dead weight. And now Amazon finally cleans up. As I'm filming this video, Amazon has not started doing that. So now it's time to look at your portfolio and just keep the good designs. So next we got the ads. Now ads are more important and more effective. So ads help you get seen and that's very important now. And ads help you build momentum and shows Amazon that your designs are good. So now when Amazon will delete a lot of products, the ad spend will probably go down a bit. So if you never tried ads, now's the time. Amazon's changes make ads better and more profitable. Next, we got the promotional deals from Amazon. And these can actually boost your sales. And yes, I know what you're thinking. Your revenue can be lower during these sales. But these promotional deals can actually help you get customers to your products. And that means you can get more traffic and more sales during these promotions. This could also help designs get more traction and more momentum, because if a design gets more sales, it gets a better ranking in the algorithm. And also deals can help you sell designs that are slow otherwise. Also use ads and deals together to get even more exposure. So if your design is already good, a deal can make it a bestseller. So next I got some numbers for you. So this is the print-on-demand market size, share and trends 2025 to 2034. Let's scroll down to this chart right here. So we are right here in 2025 and this is the market size in $1 billion US. So now we got about 13 billion US dollars in the print-on-demand market right now. And as you can see, it just goes up and up and up. We already doubled the market in about 3 years right here. And that's just a massive growth. And I think that's a clear sign that print on demand is not just a small market anymore, but it's becoming huge. So this chart really motivates me a lot because it shows that there are more and more opportunities for all of us. And it also shows that now is the best time to start working on your merch account or work on it again if you paused it for some reason. So if you use Amazon merch and follow these changes, you can really be a part of this huge market. So next I got some more numbers for you. We got the top 20 e-commerce marketplaces in the world in 2025. And let's see who's the winner. The best marketplace for global selling. So we got the top 5 marketplaces in the world. And who's the number 1? Yeah, it's Amazon. So these are really great news for us Amazon merch sellers. So the second one is Taobao. I think that's a Chinese one. Yeah, it's part of the Alibaba group. It's also Chinese. That's really interesting. Now we got the world's 20 most popular marketplaces. And we got Amazon on the first place. And yeah, that's by visitor traffic. So Amazon is also number 1 in this category. So yeah, there's no other marketplace that gets so many visitors every month. That means it's easier to get traffic and sales on Amazon than on other smaller platforms. And that's why Amazon Merch is such a powerful platform for us print-on-demand sellers. So even with all this competition from these Chinese markets, Amazon is still number one. And it's still growing, so there's always new customers that go to Amazon. That's a big reason for me why I focus on Amazon Merch, because that's where the buyers are. There's just no other marketplace that gives you the same reach. So if you're starting with print on demand or coming back to it, Amazon is just the smartest place to begin. Now if you want to know my 6-step plan on how I adapt to these changes from Amazon Merch, then check out this video right here.